E futuro generação. Essa é o que a resaltar na Assembleia de Futuro na Nacionnan Uni e o que Prome Minister demisionario de Aruba Evelyn Wever-Croes a referir na durante seu discurso. Parte de declaração de futuro generação que está cooperação entre Reino Hulandes e Jamaica está concentrar no processo intergovernamental e está considerar essa aqui logro significativo, especialmente para o que trata o tema comum do país, que é cambio climático.
The declaration promises to bring about a major shift in how we think, making sure that caring for future generations and sharing responsibility across generations are priorities in our decisions. This is especially important when it comes to climate change. Like many countries around the world, my country, Aruba, and indeed our entire kingdom, which spans 2 continents, is facing the consequences of global warming. Rising sea levels and more extreme weather events clearly show us how what we do or don't do affects everyone, now and in the future. The devastating hurricanes and floods in our Caribbean region are a stark reminder of this reality. Yet, history teaches us that forward-thinking decisions can protect future generations. By learning from past mistakes and taking decisive action today, we will secure long-term benefits for ourselves and for those to come after us. And this is why I look to the future with what I call realistic optimism. But there is a catch. We need to act now, and we must act collectively.
Prome Minister está indicar que a declaração aqui está prometendo de trazer cambio grande de nossa maneira de pensar, segurando que a atenção para a futura geração e a responsabilidade compartilhada é a prioridade dentro da decisão.
With a declaration on future generations, we must strive as good ancestors to leave behind a world that offers a better quality of life for those who follow. I look forward to continuing this journey together, shaping a more inclusive and just future.
Aldric Werleman, Telenotícia.